The Harry Potter series has amazed us in many ways. Magic, spells, fantasy, and in every way possible, the movie taught us that real life is boring. But what if we say something we saw in Harry Potter is possible in real life? You won't believe us. That is why we came up with this video. After watching this video, we will get a shoulder tap from you. In the Harry Potter series, the second part shows the existence of a secret chamber inside Hogwarts. When we first saw this, "That is cool" would be our reaction. But what if building one such secret room in your house is possible? We will see that today. We will see more amazing hidden gates and rooms which we bet you have never seen before. Look at this beautiful beach house. The black coloured grills blend in with the building too. But wait a minute, it's not just for the purpose of aesthetics. This is the garage door. Could you ever imagine that? This is how we can hide the garage door smartly. The garage door is opened in a very smart way too. It is a 5-section door and each section slowly folds and moves upwards, not creating a fuss. This technique has been used widely as we can see similar designs in other garages. The smartest thing is that the garage door resembles the wall nearby, so it looks spotless. No one can ever guess that it is a door. In most households, the problem of enough space arrives at some point. The major reason could be the outside position of the garage. Then where will you keep the hanger? Inside the house? What if we say yes, you can keep the hanger inside the house? Then probably you will say we are mad until you see this. This is a cute house, but with no garage. Wait till you see it. The front side of the house is slowly lifting, just like a door. And here is the vast, spacious garage. The basic working principle of this door is hydraulics. No one will ever think of such a thing. Cheers to the architect in whose mind such a weird idea blossomed. A similar setup has been adopted by many. Someone is visiting at your home, and let's assume that you are sick of this particular person and want to get rid of them. So you said you were leaving for your mum and went to the front door. But alas, the guests come straight to the front door from outside. Many of us might have faced such a situation or face it in the future. Here is the hidden door which comes to the rescue. It is a door, but only if you operate it in that way. Otherwise, it is just like part of the wall with a window maybe. Like the previous one, the hydraulic pumps are used here to open the door. Once it is closed, no tracers will reveal the presence of the door there. These doors are mostly custom made for industries and households. The doors can be of any size, as you can see here. The reliability, strength, and low maintenance cost are the main attractions of these strange doors. It is not clumsy, and we get real satisfaction as we see how the door flows open and closed. Where is the basement door? Here, the basement door is on the floor, blended with the floor tiles. For opening the door, a 12-volt remote control is used. The door's hinge is electronically made to open and close using the remote. When it is closed, the door blends with the floor, which is beautiful. The basement is not an everyday visiting place unless your house is haunted and a ghost lives in your basement. Just kidding. Again, garages. There are many techniques to hide them. One such method is what we will see next. This method was first adopted by Kay and Burton. You can see the garages placed underground and a ramp lifts to reveal the cars. This will surely save more space and the ramp can be used for other purposes. How is the gate in front of your house closed? Most of the gates will close just like a door if it is a double split door, or else nowadays we see sliding gates too. What other style of opening and closing can you name? If any, comment them down in the comment section below. Here we will witness a new style of the front gate. The gate comes from underground. As we press a button, the gate slowly rises from the earth. This type of gate is preferred in central city areas where the space for conventional gates is less. Also, the operation is quite simple. There are brake systems present on the sides of the gate that control the motion of the gate. In fact, there can be no restrictions for the material of the gate to be used. It could be steel, aluminium, raw iron, or timber. Automatic rising gates are cool to watch too. They could be arranged with decorative tops if needed. In front of our houses, there would certainly be waste bins, and walking next to them is not very pleasant. Of course, waste will never smell good. Likewise, there would be a couple of bins in front of each house. Here comes the hideout enclosure with the waste bins. After dumping the waste, press a button on the remote control. The platform will go downwards, and it will come back up on the next press. What if the platform closes while something comes in between, maybe a ball? The closing process will get halted, which is the answer to one safety concern. We started talking about waste cans, but you can keep anything else you want. A bicycle, your lawnmower, basically anything. Now comes the most awaited secret room. As children, we were amazed with the concept of hidden rooms. We might have dreamed of a secret room where we could be on our own and no one disturbs us. See, this cupboard looks normal, but what is behind it is not known until we see it. There is even an elevator there. In Hollywood movies, we see a library with a single book. If we take the bookshelf will turn 180 degrees to welcome us into the secret chamber. Quite similar to the Hogwarts vibe. This secret arrangement will enable you to store those books here, saving space and reducing a mess. This is a perfect solution for those who respect a private life beyond your family times. What is fun if all the corners of your home are well visible to everyone? Such customized secret rooms will make your home or office space exclusive. This time we'll show you another secret room. This is a room but nothing special about it, but there is actually something special. The wooden wall is a door that slides open into another room. Rather than saying the room, we can say a safe or locker. No matter what, our own homes are not safe with doors and locks alone. If you have to keep valuable stuff, then think about such a hidden safe. The mini bunker behind the false doors will be the least thought of by thieves who break into your house. It is better to place such a room through a secret passage. This unique addition will give you relief from tensions as you leave the house for vacation. See, everything is there in the secret chamber. There are lockers and some weapons too. But guys, no illegal things please. How many of you would like a pool table in your living room? That is a wonderful idea indeed, but the next second you'll abandon the plan due to space. We want our living room to be spacious to breathe some air. At the same time, if our friends are there, we'll have to make the time enjoyable with some games. But is it possible to have both? It is. Look at this room. It is quite roomy, but once you decide to play a game of pool, the pool table comes from the ground. It is accomplished using an electro-hydraulic mechanism. The whole idea can be customized according to your need. If you want a table tennis setup instead of a pool table, then boom, here we have it. The best part here is that you can have both. Moreover, the table is for multi-purposes. You can modify this idea in whatever way you want. Maybe you can make your dining table disappear when it is not used. Guys, does your home have any secret doors to your fantasy world? And how was this video? I hope you saw something new today. Could you give us a big happy thumbs up? We wish to hear more about such amenities from you in the comments section. More such episodes will be coming, so stay tuned. Goodbye.